Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with a wonderful Detox video for you today. Now this Detox is really going to heat it up, okay? We trying to warm up the body because we want to burn off that fat. And the only way we're going to do it is with these wonderful ingredients I got for you today. We're going to start this Detox off with some, of course you know, Cayenne Pepper, okay? This is going to be a thermogenic Detox, alright? Which means it's going to heat your body up to burn off that fat. Next, we're going to be using some lemon juice. Okay, this is my real lemon, which is 100% lemon juice. So instead of buying your lemons and them rotting and going bad in the refrigerator, you can save your time with this. I've been good with this, all right? You can go with organic lemons, limes, whatever you choose. But like I said, you could either use lemon juice, and if you prefer lime, you could do that as well. Next, we're going to also be using a small piece of ginger, all right? And you're going to be also using an 8 or 10 ounce cup of warm water. Mashing my ginger. Now I have my little mallet, but what I'm trying to do is actually just get it loosened up. And I'm going to put that in my glass. Now what I'm going to do in the meantime is pour my hot boiling water over the ginger. And we're going to leave it in there for a little while. Okay, let it steep for maybe 5-10 minutes. Now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of our lemon juice. If you're going to use real lemons, it's a half a lemon. As well as 1 teaspoon of our cayenne pepper. Okay. Now you talk about spicy, you talk about hot, you talk about burning off some fat. This is going to do it for you. Alright, so we're going to let this drink sit for a little while, let it steep for a little while. The cayenne pepper, the lemon, and the ginger are the most potent natural ingredients in this drink. It's not only going to trim down your body weight, it's also going to suppress your appetite, it's going to stimulate the metabolic rate, and help to melt that fat. The lemon and cayenne pepper are the perfect magical ingredients. They don't only assist you in trimming down your weight, but they are also useful for cleaning and detoxifying your body. Now, you're going to drink this solution 3 times a day for at least 1 to 2 months. You're going to notice the appearance of your skin smoothing out. Where there used to be fat cells, fat pockets, it's going to start smoothing out. As well as around your legs, your belly, your arms, and also that back fat. This is going to do it for you guys. So let's try it right now. Now it is going to be very spicy. It's going to heat you up. You're going to feel the burning going down your throat, but it's bearable because the ginger is also amplifying the heat in the cayenne pepper. So this is going to get you slimmed down. You want to shrink those fat cells right away? Drink this 3 times a day, okay? In the morning, on an empty stomach, 20 to 30 minutes before each meal. You're going to shrink down to nothing with this fast, fat-burning Detox. Now, honey is optional, so you can put a little squirt of honey just to get past the heat. But this is going to do it for you guys 3 times a day. Whew. And it's going to heat your body up, and you're going to see some serious weight loss, all right? Don't forget, like, subscribe down below. Thumbs up this video. Share these videos with your friends and family on Facebook, on your other social media channel. So this way you can spread the love about losing weight. Shrinking fat cells around your arm, your back, your legs, your thighs. You're going to see the difference, alright? So thank you so much for joining me on this video, you guys. And I will see you in the next Detox video. Hey fam! Where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell. So this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also, hit that bell next to it. make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.